What is up, guys? Today we will talk about if you guys can cancel YouTube TV subscription on an iPhone. Well, doing that is not possible on an iPhone because iPhone does not have YouTube TV app. However, what you can do is you can actually go to the browser of an iPhone, or you can come to your laptop or computer. Now, in the laptop or computer, you just have to come to Google, or you can do that in your Safari browser of your iPhone as well. Search for YouTube TV. Now, searching for YouTube TV will bring up these things. Here, just go to tv.youtube.com. Now here, this is how it will look. Here, as you can see, it is giving you an option to sign in. Just click on this sign in, log in with your YouTube TV account. Once you do that, you will be able to see an option for account. Just click on the accounts and then you will be able to see an option for subscriptions. Go to the subscription and cancel that subscription right there on this page. So in my case, the YouTube TV is not available in my region, so it won't let me log in. But in your case, you just have to log in, go to your account, subscription, and cancel it. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.